If your Epson printer's buttons won't budge, you're not alone. Many folks run into this. Let's get it working again, step by step. First, unplug your printer from the wall, wait a full minute. Then, plug it back in and turn it on. This simple reset often clears up most control panel glitches. If that doesn't help, check for paper jams. A tiny scrap can stop everything. Open every cover and look inside. Clear any stuck paper, then close the covers tightly. Still not working? Try a firmware update. Go to Epson's website, type your printer model, and download the latest update. Follow the instructions. They're simple, and it could solve your problem. If the panel is still frozen, hold down the power button for 15 seconds. This forces a hard reset. Turn it back on and see if it responds. If none of these steps work, it might be time to call Epson support or visit a repair shop. But most times, a reset or clearing a jam does the trick. Now you know how to fix your Epson printer control panel. Give these steps a try and get back to printing in no time.